Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you why it's like this. These are my two finished cathode ray tubes I've been making. And my last video I made about a few months ago. So yeah, this one probably my best one, and this one I'm going to be able to be starting to make. And this one is supposed to be like a late 1980s or 90s. If that makes sense to you guys. This was supposed to be like the electron gun. And this TV isn't on because the cathode ray tube in it went out. The main part of this video is this microwave transformer. So this is a primary low voltage coil, high voltage coil. I cut that off so I could see the copper. So yeah. I didn't get this out of a microwave. We ordered it. I think that's weld. Yeah. Anyway, so the only main thing in the microwave is dangerous part is the magnetron. The pink insulator on it. If you break it, that could cause cancer. So don't smash the microwave. So yeah. So, and I might be able to show you how to make a cathode ray tube. So bye. Actually, that's not the end of the video. Thank you, pause. And this is kind of part 2 in the same video. This is my Sony tape cassette recorder and also cassette player. And listen.
She might just take any love.
And it does work. And we got a Goodwill by that sticker.
What tape do you have in there?
I'm not really sure. I don't remember. But yeah, this does open. So you could put like the tape in. So yeah, this is a Sony. And it's right there. And it has a record microphone. Yeah. It does. Beside it says AC input 120 volts and DC 6 volts. So there could be a transformer on here for the AC DC. And in my next video, I'll be maybe to show you how to make a cathode ray tube. And bye.